Kinal's armed and dangerous. This is our day one of Khmer New Year. So we're here with the kids. Hi.
Hi.
And Max's first Khmer New Year in Australia. In Australia. Bloody Cambodia. What are you talking about? We're off to find some guns. We're looking for a weapons dealer because I want the most powerful gun available. So I like to inflict justice on those that don't play fairly. People that shoot unarmed people in the face or just being scallywags. So a tip for young players, if you're out and about this time of year, go out in your most sacrificial set of clothes. I've got my old rooted runners that I've taken with me. These are just sports clothes which I bought here about 3 years ago, so they're cheap and they can get ruined. So far it's about midday and it's all quiet. It's all going to change later. This place will be packed. So we've got some weapons here on the side of the road. Which one's got the best firepower? Just clang.
But it's too expensive.
Expensive, man.
20 bucks you want?
20 bucks. I used to use these type of ones back in the day and they were pretty good. The capacity wasn't great, but they are far lighter than that bulky thing that my niece has got. For something I'm only going to use for 10 minutes, I'm actually considering quite a lot of factors here. This is the 7700. The bloke over there had the 7800. What's that extra 100 do? Let's keep looking. There's plenty of options. I think I am going to go the big one. Baitong. The big green one here. And this guy wants 15 bucks instead of 20 bucks. That's the 10,000. Oh, that's the biggest number of all the numbers I've seen so far. So it's got to be the best. So just like when you're buying guns on the black market, they are going to give me a demo to make sure they're good gear before he files a serial number off and we get going here. Oh, we've got a spud. He's broken it. Huh?
It's not working.
It's a dud. Well, lucky we didn't pull the trigger on that one. Hang on a second, let me get armed first. I remember this, yeah. Encouraged by the older auntie. Oh, this is option number 2. This has got cracks in it.
Yeah, but discount.
This one discount, all right. It's okay. I'll take the discount. Oh, he's got a weapon too. You happy with that one?
Let me test.
That's a lot lighter than her. Hey, wait, don't test it on me. Gee, hey. Bloody hell. Oh, geez, headshot. Take it easy. Look at the violent streak in this one. Righto, we still haven't kicked off yet, but there's a fair bit of speaker action happening behind me. And behind me that way as well. The decibels in this town just go ape shit. These ones are covered up. There's more over there in plastic. There's bloody a wall of sound over here. Mate, this is Tinnitus Street. Yeah, get a load of the face. I just got bloody powdered. There's a couple of scallywags here. Look at Kinal have a go at the youth. No, look, she took him out. What is going on? And you're celebrating. What a violent streak. And they're loving it. Oh. Are you right?
What?
Oh my gosh. You won? You beat a child. Max and Kinal are going home. She's getting a coffee because she's knackered and Max is sick. Well, he's just a bit grumpy anyway, so it's a bit hard. He's had to adjust to a hot temperature this way, kiddos. And all this water fighting, partying stuff, so he's out of his comfort zone. But it's okay, he'll get used to it. Look at all this beer unattended. Look at that, beer. You want a beer? No. I'm powdered. Looks like I've been partying in bloody Colombia or something. Yeah, I just got powdered as well. Lloyd's just been powdered too. Feeding him. There is food along here. I think this is Pokembo Avenue. As far as the bloody eye can see, these stalls just do not stop. And everything's freshly cooked. Oh, everyone's got like slabs and things that they're on selling today and across the next few days. Look, we've got sugar cane here. Oh, mate, it's got a plastic bag. Good on you, dude. Might be killing some glasses for $2 just for eye safety. Now, these here are filling stations. This is where you can fill up your weapon. Oh, that weighs a ton now. Look at that quality workmanship. Bloody hell. It's the apocalypse now part, the heart of darkness we're walking into. The daytime one anyway. Look at this. Have a look at the puddles, mate. That water is rank. Oh. Get him, get him. Oh, what a shot! Good. Pop that. It's only got like 3 shots left in it. It's got good range, look at that. Still bloody getting it. Oh, this guy here. Oh, got him. Oh, just got a Terminator. Walk forward. Dominate. 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 Just go in. Oh, I'm out. I'm out. Got him. Got him. Good job, Yaya. How are we looking? These sunnies are doing a beautiful job. Paid for themselves. Oh, have a look at the murky grim water in there. Oh. Come on. Oh, there it is. He's got to run out at some point. There we go. So that's water in here. Good to the gun. It is actually something. It's actually called a Gatling. Look at that. Unbelievable. Oh. Target engaged. Good job today.
Ly xã con không bán biệt đôi gì xã ô là chuyện ta hàng thập biệt đôi ok hàng thập biệt đôi là lấy con chập đai đó đi ngoài tới con pre tới đó nhưng con ba bảy tao mày chó mày ớt nè đây mũi phi hey chập đai họ ao đây con nhìn ao bị kêu chưa mà chua.
Righto, we've just left that bloody area and we're going to walk back to the hotel now down this Pukenbor Avenue. Now there's heat coming off the ground here, whereas back there in the wet area it was so saturated, it was quite nice and cool. Get over this bloke in the full camo, but your gun is fucking It's just, it's freaking fluorescent. What's the point? Oh, that's classic. I've left the other kids, they're going home. It's me and we're going back to the hotel because that's where a motorbike is. Oh, watch out, he's got a big fuck off sword. Look at this guy. He's getting a look at what's going on, trying to see the traffic. We're going to go along Savuta because I think it's going to be packed and I think it's going to be chaos and I want to check it out. Okay, plenty of these bloody Raptors around. It's an F-150 Raptor, a few Ranger Raptors. There's a Ranger Wild Track. Traffic is just chaos around here. Oh, you cop man, there's a hose. Bloody hell. Here you've got the guys in the cars. How good's that? Kids in the back of the car. Sitting duck. Oh! I can't reload one-handed though. Oh, you're gonna get me too. Happy New Year, just let you up to me. There's another bloke with a hose. There's another. Look at this. Look at the 44-gallon drum in the back. This guy won. He's a champion. Congratulations. Oh, classic. This guy's just got the high pressure hose going. That shit-eat Prius on its ass. At least it's lowered it. Another Ranger Raptor. Freaking everywhere. This traffic is unbelievable. Jeez. Way. Oh, watch out. Whoa. Whoa. Oh, man. It just goes on and on and on. Now, granted, it wasn't like this yesterday. It only kicked off at night, but it has absolutely kicked off now. Look, they've got umbrellas. Very unique way of protecting yourselves from the water. Is that Dorothy the dinosaur? Well done. Small. You okay, Mia? You okay? Yeah, good one. Whoa, cold water! Oh, pull it up from the car. Look at this guy, he's just like all the old nonnos watering down the concrete. Beautiful. Gotta be part Greek or Italian. Fresh drinks on the side of the road, beer on the side of the road, water on the side of the road, powder, everything you need. Oh, and let's flick this off. So this is Burger King intersection. Burger King is my reference to everything in Siem Reap. Depending on how far away it is, I always use this as my point of interest, I suppose. And this whole main drag, Savuta, which goes out about 1.5 km, 2 clicks down that way. Oh, fuck you! That's cold. This is all blocked, which is good because this usually just gets absolutely chaotic. Got that big Tundra, platinum bloody F-150. Oh, that's gotta be cold water. This is the. Well, it's gonna be cold. Oh, it's more of it. Oh. Sorry, yeah. Well, we're going to end where we started on this street here. I hope you enjoyed our 2025 Khmer New Year Anchor Songkrang coverage. And I hope you liked the video. Tell everyone, thumbs up video.
Subscribe.
Oh, good job. Yeah. Nicely done. All right, we'll see you in another one. Yeah.